Today we are building a complete real-world Slack notification system from scratch. Slack is where teams communicate, like ClickUp, and when you connect it to N8n, your entire team can get an automatic notification whenever something happens in your workflow. Let's go. So here, first we are putting a schedule node. This time we are putting on a schedule, means on a time. So here we are putting hour. After 1 hour, it's scheduled automatically and check is there any problem, then notify automatically. So we are building that. After that, we are putting HTTP node. Right now, I don't have any data, so I'm taking random data from an API. So this is the URL of the random data. This data will give us 100 random data, its ID, title, body, all this stuff. After that, we put if node because this HTTP node will give us 100 data. We are not going to execute whole 100. We are just executing 5. So here we are putting less than or equal to 5. Okay, so we execute this previous node so we can get a data. As you can see, we get 100 item. So here we are putting this ID. On the basis of this ID, it check. Let's check. We get only 5 data. Oh, sorry, we are going to put this condition less than or equal to. Execute again. We get 5 data. Okay, now we are putting in true session Slack. So here we are sending message to the channel. So here we search Slack send message. So send a message, this one. Okay, here we place on channel. So first we have to connect it. There are two options: connect to Slack. This is automatically set up manually. We are click on this setup manually. So here it is asking for signature secret. So we are going to find it. First we are going to in API dot slack.com/apps. So we are going to this URL. It is saying to sign up. So first we are sign up. Continue with Google. Create a workspace. Here we are putting a Slack demo, just a random name for a demo. Okay, next. No changes. We don't have any referrals. Skip it. Don't invite anyone. Continue with free. This is free and this is also a paid. So we are using free version. Okay, after this, now we are going the link that we went before. api.slack.com/apps. So I'm setting up with this thing, this access token. Okay, so here we take a access token, create an app, click on app, this blank app, continue. Here we add any random name, so we are just putting demo Slack. Here we select that channel that we create. Now create this workspace. Okay, after coming to this page, we are going to add two important things in this place. So we have to add multiple things here. So first we are adding channel history, this one. Another thing is chat, right, this one. After that, one more thing, two more thing. I am right, this one. After that, channel read, this one. So after adding these all things, go to here, basic information. You will get a secret, signing secret. So copy that and paste it here. Okay, after that, now the one thing is remaining, access token. Those things we go here, auth and permission. Installed a Slack demo. Allow. So here's our tokens. Copy this, paste it here. After putting access token, now just close it. Now here we have to do one thing more. Here we have to invite our bot that we built. So here we write slash invite that we put the name of our bot was demo Slack, okay, helper. Now let's check a valid. So that is not valid. So here we write a slash invite 8. We were didn't putting 8. So this one helper. Now enter it. Now as you can see, this is edit. Now let's check the channel is coming or not. Let's refresh it. It is still not coming. So we are just putting the name of it by name. Here our channel name is slash new channel. So we just put this here hash new channel. Let's see. We just forgot one thing. This dash. So we put this. Okay, we have to put exact thing. Okay. Now we here we put a alert message. Okay. New make it expression. Important code alert. This thing star make the thing capital. Okay. Not capital, bold. Make this bold. Okay, here we put this title. After that, here we put ID of it. So here we put this ID. Okay, check it now. To make this message highlight, we put emoji here. So we put alert emoji here, this one. Okay, after emojing, because we add emoji to highlight this message. If there's huge crowd in our team, so it does not highlight. If we put emoji, hit highlight alert sign. Okay, now we just close this. Now we add another Slack. This one is sending message to a group. Next one we are making that send message direct to the admin or a person related to that job. Okay, so Slack Sam send message, this one. account is connected, channel, same thing by name, copy this name, same message, just in more something changes. Put this thing here, expression. These are not clarified, so we remove this from here and put these things here, ID, title. Okay, so now we build a workflow that send message to Slack automatically. Now we have to make a data where it tells that this time I send this data, this alert with ID and this name. So now I'm going to add another note which is Google Sheet that send data, Slack data send there. So I send a Slack notification on this time in a Google Sheet. So we update that sheet. So I already made a sheet with post ID, title and notified time. So we just add here Google Sheet. We are appending a rows. So we just put this. I already connect this. If you saw a previous part, I explained this how to connect this. Now this is this list. Now this one is the sheet. Okay. So from here we take a post ID and notification. If it worked, then notification should be yes. So from here we put ID and title here. Time here we put a now. So just this slash now. Okay. Now let's execute this. So let's check. Here as you can see, we get a data alert message in Slack, as you can see. Now here we got this type in database that this is the title, this is notification, time, all of this. That is a complete Slack workflow. You just build a complete team notification system, automatic alert, direct message, and login, all without touching Slack manually. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in next video.